Hi, my name is Miguel Torres, and today we'll be learning FOIL. FOIL is a process used in algebra to multiply two binomials. FOIL. FOIL stands for first, outer, inner, and last. FOIL, it is a series of steps where multiplying and addition comes into place to solve for multiplying two binomials. Below are the steps of how FOIL should be done. First, outer, inner, and last. Now, let's see some examples on how FOIL should be done. First example, 8x plus 4 times 2x plus 5. So what you would first do would multiply the first, which is 8x plus 2x, which that equals 8 times 2, 16x squared. The next step, then you would multiply the outer, which is 8x plus 8x plus 5, I'm sorry. 8x times 5 would be 40x. So it would be 40x. Then the next step, you would multiply the inner, which would be 4 times 2x, which would then equal to plus 8x. And lastly, you would multiply the last, which would be 4 times 5, which is equals to plus 20. That is the first step. Then you would combine like terms, which would be leading to 16x squared plus 40 plus 8x, which would be plus 48x, because 40 plus 8 is 48x. And lastly, plus 20. And that's the first example. Now let's move on to the second example. Okay, for the second example, we are brought with a negative. So the first step applies again. First, you would multiply the 3x times 2x, which would then lead to 6x squared. Then will be the outer. Multiply the outer, which is 3x times negative 3, which should lead to negative 9x. Then you multiply the inner, 1 times 2x, which would then be plus 2x. And lastly, you would multiply the last, should be 1 times negative 3, should equal to negative 3. You would then at this point combine, and then it would be 6x, sorry about that, 6x squared, negative 9x plus 2x, which you combine like terms, which are that, leaving it to negative 7x minus 3. And that is the answer, 6x squared minus 7x minus 3, as the answer for the second example.